Welcome to this short introduction on the Microsoft SQL Auditing tool, which has been developed by Network Technologies. Firstly, let's take a look at the number of ways you can monitor database activity on your network. Now, on this network here, or even on your own networks, you may have one or more core switches. We may have SQL databases SQL servers directly connected to the core switch. We may have some servers here out in the DMZ connecting via a firewall into the core. And we may have users over here connecting via switches over the network, connecting to the SQL databases and accessing information. We may have external users connecting through the firewall onto web applications which we may have hosted on our DMZ. So there's a number of ways we can find out what people are accessing within the databases. We could enable logs on the database servers, so we could enable auditing. Now, by doing that, we may end up with very large log files, and it may also impact on the performance of the databases. We could enable, or we could install agents on the PCs connecting to the servers. So we could have some sort of an agent running that would log the activity to and from the database servers. However, we need to make sure that every single PC on the network, including any contractors or any third parties that may come in to connect, have all got the agent installed. Now that causes a problem for us if we've got external people connecting in via the DMZ into web applications. We have no way installing agents on that. Now here at Network Technologies, we don't recommend you install any agents, and we don't recommend you enable any logging on your database servers directly. Our approach is to install a system called the LAN Guardian connected to your core switch or switches, and by enabling the span or port mirroring capabilities of your switches, we get a copy of the data of the traffic as it goes from the clients to the servers, and the servers sending data back to the clients. So as the traffic transits the core, we get a copy of it to the LAN Guardian and we analyze that. So it's an out of band, it's a passive solution. It doesn't interfere in the operation of the applications. It doesn't interfere with the operation of the DMZ. And you can use this as a temporary solution. So if you're an auditor and you want a mobile solution where you can plug in to a network, look at the database activity and report on what people are accessing, or if you need a permanent solution, you can install our software onto a dedicated server and you've got an instant database auditing tool. So in the next video we're going to take a look at some of the reports and the sort of information you can get from the Microsoft SQL Auditing tool. So if you want to get your own SQL auditing system installed within 1 hour, or maybe if you're an auditor and you want either a portable or maybe a permanent solution for monitoring database activity, please visit www.networktechnologies.com where you can download a free trial today.